Hello my dears, welcome back to DSC classes. Here cos power 4a minus sin power 4a value we need to find. The options were given sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a and 2 cos 2a. It's very clear that the value will be cos 2a. This is one of the formula my dear. Unfortunately, if you forget this formula in the examination, you have to crack it like this. Cos power 4a minus sin power 4a is equal to, now you can make it as cos square a whole power 2. 2 multiplies to 4. Sin power 2a whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. Obviously you know very well a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square formula is a plus b into a minus b. So here cos square a plus sin square a, the value will be 1 from first identity. And one more we get, that is cos square a minus sin square a. So you can write here cos square a minus sin square a. So here cos square a minus sin square a value is cos 2a. This is one of the formula my dear. Hence the option will be B. My dears, here one more interesting question I brought here. Observe that if cot theta equal to b by a, then sin theta value we need to find. For this, if I see these four options, immediately I can select B is the right one. That's it my dear. This is the answer. What strategy I applied to select the option B here, that I will explain now. Observe that here cot theta equal to b by a is given. It means adjacent side by opposite side. And we need to find sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So here already two sides were given. Of course, whatever the new side we observe here in these four options, that could be the hypotenuse. That's why, like school children, we need not to take the triangle, we need not to apply Pythagoras formula here. Obviously, hypotenuse will be under the root of a square plus b square. Same, here also same, here also under the root of a square plus b square. This you observe first. Next point is, here sin theta we need to find, means opposite by hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse should be this one. So, this chance is not there. Even here also hypotenuse is in the numerator. And left over only 2. In this, this is what? Adjacent by opposite. So, opposite comes here. That's why A comes in the numerator. Hence, B option could be the right one. That's it my dear. This is the strategy we can apply in these competitive examinations. Hope you understand. Hello dears. Here one more question from trigonometry. If cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2, then what is the value of 4 sin square theta plus tan square theta? And 4 options were given. Now, generally whenever give this type of question, we have habituated by taking triangle, two sides will be taken, and by Pythagoras theorem we can find one more side. Then after we try to substitute in these. But observe that whether the given number is from trigonometric table or not. Luckily, if the given number is from trigonometric table, then in a short period of time we can solve it my dear. So observe here, cos theta equal to root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is a value of trigonometric table. So no worry, directly you can write cos 30 degrees value will be root 3 by 2. Hence, the theta value will be 30 degrees. Directly we got angle. Now this angle you have to substitute from the required value. 4 sin square 30 degrees plus tan square 30 degrees. 4, what is sin 30? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Directly I wrote here plus tan 30, 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3. Root 3 and square gets cancelled. 1 square is 1 only. Now 4 gets cancelled. 1. 1 plus 1 by 3. If you find LCM here you will get 3 plus 1. So 4 divided by 3. Do we have the option? Yes. 4 divided by 3 will be the answer. So this is the simplest way my dear. Unfortunately, if you don't have tabular value, in that case you can go for the triangular method, or else we have identities or reciprocals also. That method also we can apply it. If we face such type of question, we can solve it. in other videos. If you understand this concept, please do like, share and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to be notified for every update. 3 of sin x minus cos x whole power 4 plus 6 into sin x plus cos x whole square plus 4 into sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. This value we need to find. This is from trigonometry mathematics content. Now observe my dears, here if you see this type of big problem, you may think that the calculation is more. Of course, calculation is big only. We have to apply the formulas here. This question was there in old syllabus of 10th class textbook. But my dear, this is competition. In competition, we have to apply some strategies, some tips and tricks. Here I am going to tell you one of the trick. See here. This calculation also I will explain in another video, my dear. Here trick I am going to explain. What we have? 3 here plus 6 here plus 4. Add these 3, you will get 13. So 13 will be the answer, my dear. That's it. Very simple here. The coefficients of these trigonometric ratios can be taken. So this is one of the technique, my dear. Like this we can crack the solutions in competitive exams to save our time. Hope you understand. Yes, my dear. Here one more question is on the board from trigonometry mathematics content. If cos theta by sin theta is equal to 1 by root 3, then tan theta plus sec theta. Already in the previous video I explained what is the technique should be applied for solving these type of problems. First you have to see that whether the given value is from trigonometric table or not. Of course 1 by root 3 is from trigonometric table, and cos by sin can be written as cot theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So this is the value of 60 degrees. Hence cot 60 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. Then theta value is 60 degrees. And this 60 degrees you have to substitute here, my dear. So tan theta 60 degrees plus sec secant 60 degrees. So tan 60 is nothing but root 3 from trigonometric table we get. And sec 60, this is 2. So the final answer is root 3 plus 2 or 2 plus root 3. Both are same, my dear. So the option A is the right one. If you understand this problem, please do like, share and subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to be notified for every update. This is your Qaleel Master, Maths Expert.